TikTok could be banned in the U.S. with upcoming bill to prohibit foreign tech. This is from a U.S. senator. More than 30 U.S. states, Canada, and European policy institutions have banned TikTok from being loaded onto state-owned devices. They're all like, not on our phones. Yeah, you can have it on yours. God, no.
I know we always talk about TikTok potentially being banned, but I feel like this is the first step in it being more real.
What do you mean? You're saying it's happening now?
Well, the bill is about to be passed, right?
Well, I don't know. I think it's hard. I think they have to kind of wait how the public feels about it too, right? Because you don't want to have you don't want to have an uproar in your constituency. You want to get voted back in. It's easy on the government devices because you're like, what, those people? Yeah. They're not the voters I care about. But it's interesting. I don't know if they ever get to the place. People seem to want their TikTok.
But all it takes is just one bad story of some sort of like algorithm or code that is uncovered.
I'm talking about espionage?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know, man. People trade security for convenience all the time. And how many people you run into, you're like, hey, man, they're mining everything. And they're like, yeah, I don't have anything to hide. And you're like, no, you don't understand. It's like, it's a big picture thing. And they're like, yeah, I don't care. I want to watch my stuff. Leave me alone. I'm barely alive anyway.
Or until it's too late.
I'm laying on this couch anyway.
Yeah.
Like, I don't care. It's amazing how hard it is to combat the apathy. I don't care. Like, I don't care. You can't, like, what do you say to that? You're like, all right.
Just coasting.
That sucks for you, I guess. I don't care. It's like, well, I really wish. I mean, you might.
There's like the sense of teenage angst.
Like, there might be something you care. Like, maybe you haven't tried. Maybe. I don't know. Nope. I don't care. Optimism.
Like defiant about it, too.
Optimism is so fragile, man. It really gets you sometimes when you try to be on that side of things. And then if you're around enough of that, how contagious it becomes. If you're around enough of that sentiment. I don't care. Okay, I guess I don't care either. And the whole thing, misery ensues eventually. 2 U.S. senators plan to introduce legislation this week aimed at letting the government ban or prohibit foreign technology products such as Chinese-owned TikTok. Senator Mark Warner said on Sunday, I feel like those balloons expedited this. They got the Chinese balloons, and then they were like, oh, yeah, we should speed up on that TikTok thing. Remember that? Yeah, that's another type of balloon. It just happens to travel on your phone. The chairman of the Senate Intelligence Committee said TikTok would be one of the potentials for review under the new bill. The Democratic senator made the comments on Fox News Sunday about the potential ban. I don't know if there's more to this article. The bill comes at a time when TikTok is under intensifying pressure over concerns that data about U.S. users could end up in the hands of the Chinese government. It's like everything is spying now. I was reading an article today about Chinese-made cranes that are in shipping ports and how they feed information and that they could be tapped for surveillance and all this potential for extraction of data. There's obviously tremendous skepticism specifically around TikTok, but it seems to still be going strong from a customer perspective. There are alternatives now in the form of YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, and so people are watching all these things. As much as I think people are committed to the TikTok thing, they would just move over to some other thing.
Yeah.
As long as they can just scroll mindlessly forever, they would just go do that too. They'd be like, they just click on the escape button.
Yeah.
The escape key.
So easy.
Just next.
Yeah.
Swipe, nice, swipe.
And other apps are getting better.
Swipe, good, yeah, bad, good.
Caveman?
Nothing, good, bad, neither, good, bad, neither, good, bad, neither, good. Next.
Throws up?
Some days it'll just get you, Will.
Yeah.
Some days it'll get you. I'm not saying it's all... You would run into something short and be like, okay. Yeah, maybe there's more to it. Then you scroll to the next one, and you're like, nope, there's nothing more to it. Nope.
Yeah, I always think that there's hope within shorts, and somehow I would derive more knowledge from it. But it's so rare. It's so rare. And I have to scroll through like 100 before I get one that's remotely interesting or interactive in some way.
Fulfilling in any way.
Have you used shorts anytime?
Yeah, I was watching shorts last night because we started posting shorts, and so I'm always so hopeful. I go into it optimistically, and then I go to bed terrified and
Your brain fried.
in physical pain.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, man, I really wish that went a different way.
But I feel like the content on YouTube Shorts is a little bit better.
Then TikTok?
I think so.
Yeah, maybe.
There's less like dances. There's less random stuff.
YouTube, I feel like YouTube already has such a big chunk of information on you as a YouTube viewer for so many years.
I think their algorithm somehow caters.
I notice, for example, because I use YouTube Music, I notice I'll get things correlated to YouTube Music taste, which is like, whoa, holy, plugging in the variety of data I've provided you. But if I have a song in a playlist, I might see shorts that have utilized that track because they already know I like that track. Think about that, Fritz. Whoa.
Yeah. Very impressive.
You know what I mean? I know TikTok's doing their TikToks too.
Yeah.